So I was saying earlier, before I got into that mucky part back here, is that my dad used to tell me stories when I was little. He was a fisherman, and he went salmon fishing off the west coast of British Columbia. And in the winter months, I'd sit out in his net house, and he'd repair nets and stuff. So on the weekends, I'd spend my weekends out there sitting with him, and he'd tell me stories. And my mom always used to make him fingerless gloves for when he went fishing, but she just did them by regular knitting, and he kept trying to explain to her how his mother used to make him mittens and gloves, and she didn't want to know about it. She just would get angry. He says, no, he said that what she did, and he showed me his thumb, and he said she would wrap the yarn somehow around her thumb 3 or 4 times, and then she twisted the needle around. I never did figure out how to do it, but then, and she'd make these things with just a needle, an ordinary needle, and some wool. And he said to me, Pavy, someday you've got to learn how to do this, because this is that makes the best kind of mittens and hats. It's much warmer than anything else that well, I don't like to say that anything that your mother could make. She was a beautiful knitter, but her mittens really did not keep my hands very warm. So someday, Pavy, you learn how to do this. So I guess here I am, learning to do this, Dad. This is what it was, and sorry I couldn't make you a pair, but here I am making them now. So, hope you're watching. Funny how life is, eh?